Joey has a gift for hiring really good people, and everyone is really relaxed. So I felt very comfortable talking to the people who were here. I felt very comfortable having them all in the house. I just had to trust my instinct and then Joey's professional experience. At the end, the two worked out very well, and I'm quite happy with the result. And I always had the feeling that everybody was on the same page. I wanted to look as rich and layered and textured as possible, and it came out that way. I'm very happy with the result. His way of processing is, it looks to me like getting kind of quiet, maybe internalizing, thinking it through, and then he'll say, okay. And then he's got like a solution or a way that something can be dealt with, or maybe a couple of ways. He got it done in 2 months plus 1 week. And within that time, you got married, you moved, there were 2 holidays in there, and then there's just the normal flux of juggling and running your kind of business. We added quite a bit during the course. The fact that really he came in 1 week later, I thought that was pretty phenomenal. He was able to deal with it all in such a relaxed, professional, reassuring way, so that his stress never came into our job or our house. So that was good.